Hello, in this video I will be showing you a few steps on how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. The first method that I would recommend you use if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo is by simply pressing down on the volume buttons at the side and at the same time pressing down on the power button. Once you have done this, you will see the option as you can see on my screen right here, and all you'll have to do is simply tap, or better yet pull on slide to power off. After doing that, what I would recommend you do is put your iPhone on your charger and you'll give it a few minutes and then you'll see it power up most of the time. If that does not work, the other option that I would recommend you do is you connect your iPhone to your laptop or to your Mac, and then you'll try and see if you can boot it up from there. After your iPhone has been booted up, the other thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings, and from settings you're going to scroll down and you're going to select general. After selecting general, you're going to tap on software update, and more than likely your iPhone will need updating, so you're going to update it. Hope these steps were able to help you and to fix your iPhone stuck on Apple logo. If they did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.